In this video I want to show you how you can make a perfect gradient. You can find a list of materials in the comment section. First we start by mixing the paint and make a creamy consistency. That means that you add a little bit of water and a lot of paint. It's important that you can tilt the paper. Start by adding paint on the top of the paper. Add a little bit of water every time, and here you can see that you make a nice gradient. This technique is called wet on dry. Work from the top to the bottom and vice versa, so you can also pick up some water and work from the bottom to the top, and on the top you can pick up some paint and you can work to the bottom. Now we continue with the second gradient, and here you can make a transition from red to yellow, and you start with a red color and then you add every 2 strokes a little bit of yellow, so you make a nice transition from red to yellow with orange in the middle. Don't forget to dry the edges. Again you work from the top to the bottom, and you can add some red at the top and some yellow at the bottom and work towards each other. Now we start with the last gradient. Here you will make a combination of 1 and 2. You start with a blue, or pick a color you like, and then you make a gradient from dark to light. So you start with paint at the top, and then you add every 2 strokes a little water until you are at the bottom of the paper. Tilt the paper if necessary, and at the bottom you can pick up some paint. And now you have to dry all the 3 layers. You can repeat all the steps if necessary. Here I am adding some yellow at the top, and I add every 2 strokes a little water, and as you can see, it's a transition from blue to green. The yellow is not strong enough to stand out on the paper, but I like this result as well. If you want to see more options or other watercolor tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. See you. Bye.